Yeah, so my name's Veer, and I am here at the Samuel Leeds Financial Freedom Challenge.
Fantastic. And why have you come here?
I've come here today because I want to be financially free. I've, I've been into property for quite some time now. I've had that aspiration and that motivation of I've got to do something about it, and now I'm here.
Fantastic. And what is Samuel like as an educator? What's it like being taught by him?
Yeah, no, he's really energetic. He's pushy. He's active. He really gets you in the mood, in the whole atmosphere. He changes the whole atmosphere and everything. Yeah, he's a really nice man. I've met him as well in person. Yeah.
And you're leaving, it's almost the end of the event. How are you feeling about going into your business and to implementing these?
I mean, I'm definitely going to implement something into my business. We just learned about deal sourcing and how to close a deal, how to, you know, and so yeah, I'm literally going to go implement that right now. But yeah, I've networked with loads of people as well, so I'll be in touch with them. I've built myself up a small little community, and yeah, I'll be expanding from that, scaling from that as well.
Amazing. What do you think the best thing is about an event like this?
I mean, it's really the networking opportunity. I mean, there's hundreds of people here, and as for networking, I've met so many people, and everyone's different, but we're all on the same path as well. So we all want that same goal. So everyone's helping each other instead of there's no competition. It's more like everyone's trying to help each other out.
Incredible.
Yeah.
And being in the room with all those people who are calling up, landing deals, making money, what's it like seeing that happen in real life?
I mean, it is motivating. It's like if it looks that easy, I could probably do it myself. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna go test and do right now.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And would you recommend it to a friend?
100%, 100%. Yeah, I would. I want to see if it works for myself first, and then I'll be like, yeah, definitely. But I do have a lot of faith in myself. I'm like, I know this will work. That's why I'm joining the academy soon as well. And yeah,